Please welcome Gary Peterson.
The reason I'm wearing this flight suit here is we want to draw attention, along with our partners Delta ModTech, as well as Green Bay Packaging, to Domino's dual bar, or we should really refer to it as our dual speed unit, which is going to enhance and double your productivity and open up new business opportunities for you. Let's look at what variable data brings to your customers. It allows them to track their product through the logistic supply chain. It can be used for food safety or product authentication. It can be used to help get feedback from their customers. It can be used to drive market share through promotional, gaming, and loyalty programs. And potentially, they need variable data to meet a state, federal, or global mandate. This is a short list of some of the markets that are served by variable data. We've got logistics and reverse logistics. Most people don't recognize that 30% of all items that are ordered online are returned. So how can you help your customers with the return process? Food safety, track and trace, loyalty and promotional. We even have RFID integrations. However, this presents a problem for you. Have you had a variable data job that you could not bid on because you lack the capacity to get it done? Or you have a variable data job that's so numerous that you have to do additional shifts and overtime in order to complete it and meet customer deadlines. Or you're scheduling a job that's better suited on a faster press, around 500 feet range, but yet you have to put it on a press to accommodate your slowest link, which is the inkjet. You've gone into those production meetings, your sales team has brought those opportunities to you, and all they tell you is, negative Ghost Rider, the press is full. What we're going to show you here is Domino's dual speed unit, our K600i. This is built off the K600i platform, which is a tried, true, and money-making machine for our customers for about the past 7 years. It's going to be printing at 600 by 600 DPI resolution. At 492 feet per minute, we have over 350 installations within the field today with the system, and Domino never leaves their wingman. We support it as we have in the past 40 years with our national service and support programs, as well as our global programs. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to buzz the tower. What we are producing here is a tracking barcode that is used commonly in Amazon packages. We're running it at 600 by 600 DPI resolution at 492 feet per minute. This allows us to produce over 29,000 linear feet on an hourly basis. Now, to give you an idea of scale with this, that Amazon barcode that we're running here on a 13.11 inch platform, you can get to the equivalent of 650,000 Amazon barcodes in a single hour. But wait, there's more. The dual bar system is also available in larger configurations. We have a 17.5 inch unit that on a 16 inch press, we can do 826,000 and change as far as barcodes. If you move it to a 20 inch press, we can do over 1 million barcodes. The Domino dual bar, dual speed unit will allow you to double your production speeds, reduce your hourly cost of operations, allow you to put other jobs on your press with the increased capacity you'll have, and most importantly, allow you to make money on your existing assets. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel the need for speed, and I hope you do as well.